Alright, I'm here with my buddy Steve at his beautiful home, and we had a project where water was gathering here behind his driveway up against the house. How to get the water out on an existing driveway. So we started out with that kit you buy with a 3/4 and it works. You put the hose fitting on this end, and then we put the nozzle fitting on this end right there, and we reamed our hole out. But our goal was to get 2-inch pipe under this driveway, and as you can see, we did it. And I'm not gonna kid you, it depends on what's under your driveway. This case had a lot of gravel and a lot of wire mesh and stuff hanging down. It took us a little longer. I just brought a little tractor and we rigged up a bushing on the end here that we screwed a fitting in. It's hard to see with this phone. We screwed the male water hose in, and we were able to push water through it and follow that 3/4 pipe. And we took an end cap and drilled a hole in the end of it for water to come out. And that worked, but we got to about right here and it hung up with about the last 3 feet. So we got the pressure, Smack Daddy pressure washer, 11 horse with the red tip jet spray, and we just kept reaming it out on this side and then reamed it out on that side. And finally, with a little Kubota, I set the bucket right on the edge of this above the hose, and by golly, it pushed that sucker right on through there. Of course, the project took about 3 hours longer than we planned, but as you can see, you can get a 2-inch pipe under, and what we're going to end up doing, we're going to cut that fitting off. I'm going to put a 2 to a 3-inch. I've got a fitting to adapt to a 3-inch 90-degree elbow. I'm going to put a little atrium drain in right here, and we're going to landscape it all back out, make it look real nice. We'll run his air conditioner over there into this as well to get all that air conditioner stuff off the patio, off his driveway. I think it'll look real nice when we're done. And then out here, we're just going to landscape this back and put a little turn up on it with an outlet tank. All in all, the project works. Everybody says you need water. I definitely agree, but it took us a whole lot longer than we thought. A good bit of the day to run this 2-inch driveway. Is a little over, it's about 11, a little over 11 feet wide. So we knocked it out, did it, and victory. Just a heads up, it can be done, and it's much cleaner than trying to route it through your house and out drill holes and route stuff out your back of your house. So just letting folks know one way to get a outlet or for conduit or whatever you're trying to do under your driveway. And come next summer when it's all put back, it won't matter. Thanks. Take care.